What I'm going to do with this is this converter isn't required anymore. I'm going to cut this and then make sure there is an USB-C outlet on this that will fit the Himalayan USB port, and then I can have it like this. If I want, I can remove it instead. All this is wired and tucked in underneath the tank. Alright, I made this little test setup. A USB-C cable directly connected to the charger of the Garmin Zumo. This little test setup. Plug this into the Type-C default USB-C. It's 5 volt 2 ampere, but a connector with a turn. Alright, connected. And now I hope you can see it, but when I turn on the engine, this one will turn on. And it said charging. And when I turn off the engine, battery down. External power is disconnected. Battery almost empty. And it's charging again. This is perfect. When you shut the engine down like this, it still provides power, and since this device is very old, it doesn't do anything without a charger anymore. Nice. Exactly how I wanted it to. Alright, fixed it. Little tape and heat shrink over the cable, so it's all nice and waterproof. It works. I connected a USB-C plug with a little 90 degrees angle, so it's not in the way when I have this mounted on the tank. Let's put it to the test, and then we have a very easy, quickly click on and get it off system. All temporary for holidays, and beside that, just nice and clean dashboard, because the Google Maps solution works for A to B, but not for holidays. So let's put it to the test, and then we are done with this. Let's test the finishing results. Nice. And with the little 90-degree angle, it's not in the way for any possible tank back. Very clean solution like this, if you ask me. I am going to replace that one and a new screen from Isota with a little bit forward bend and a adjustable GPS holder, but you'll see that later, maybe in this video, maybe in another one. Let's see if it's not in the way for the tank back. Very nice solution like this.